The Moon is Earth's only natural satellite and has fascinated humans for millennia. Here's a detailed overview of its formation, characteristics, functions, and significance. The most widely accepted theory for the Moon's formation is the giant impact hypothesis. Here's how it likely happened. About 4.5 billion years ago, a Mars-sized protoplanet named Theia collided with the early Earth. The impact ejected a massive amount of debris into Earth's orbit. Over time, this debris coalesced due to gravity, forming the Moon. The Moon initially had a molten surface which cooled over millions of years to form a solid crust. Diameter approximately 3,474 kilometers, about one-fourth the size of Earth. Mass around 1.2% of Earth's mass. Gravity, about one-sixth of Earth's gravity. The surface is covered in craters from asteroid and meteoroid impacts. Dark, flat plains called Maria were formed by ancient volcanic eruptions. The highlands are brighter mountainous regions. The Moon is primarily made of rock and metal. It has a small, partially molten iron core. The mantle and crust are composed of silicate materials. The Moon's atmosphere is extremely thin, almost a vacuum containing trace amounts of helium, neon and argon. The average distance from Earth is about 384,400 kilometers. The orbital period is around 27.3 days, known as a sidereal month. Due to synchronous rotation, the Moon rotates on its axis in the same time it takes to orbit Earth, so the same side always faces Earth. The Moon goes through phases: new moon, crescent, quarter, gibbous, and full moon, due to its position relative to Earth and the Sun. During a lunar eclipse, Earth blocks sunlight from reaching the Moon. In a solar eclipse, the Moon blocks sunlight from reaching Earth. The Moon's gravity creates tidal forces, causing ocean tides on Earth. Spring tides are higher and neap tides are lower, depending on the alignment of the Sun, Moon and Earth. The Moon helps stabilize Earth's axial tilt, maintaining a relatively stable climate over long periods. It reflects sunlight, providing light at night. The Moon has inspired art, mythology, and scientific exploration. It serves as a natural laboratory for studying planetary formation and geology. Ancient civilizations studied the Moon's phases and movements. Galileo Galilei was the first to observe the Moon's surface with a telescope in 1609. The Apollo program from 1961 to 1972 by NASA landed 12 astronauts on the Moon. In 1969, Apollo 11's Neil Armstrong and Buzz Aldrin became the first humans to walk on the Moon. Countries like China, India and Japan have sent orbiters, landers and rovers. NASA's Artemis program aims to return humans to the Moon by the mid-2020s.